Recently, 3D printing has transformed various industries, among them dental care. The impact of 3D printing technology in contemporary dentistry has transformed the manner in which dental treatments are conceptualized and carried out. Due to its capabilities of creating precision and personalized prosthetics for the dental profession, 3D printing has evolved into an essential device for dentists all over the globe. One of the biggest benefits of 3D printing for dentistry is its capacity to make highly accurate dental models that are highly accurate. Dental models created using traditional techniques usually involved messy material and unreliable result. Dental professionals can create accurate digital images of the patient's gums and teeth with incredible detail. Digital models of the patient can be used to make custom dental crowns and bridges as well as dental implant. Apart from creating precise dentist models, 3D printing also allows the development of highly customized dental prosthetics. Each person's mouth is distinct as a traditional prosthetics, which usually require modifications and adjustments for a mouth that was not appropriately. Dental professionals using 3D printing have the ability to design and create prosthetics customized for each patient. It not only enhances the fitting and comfort of the prosthetics, but improves the efficiency of treatment by making it easier and faster. A further advantage for 3D printing within dentistry lies in its capacity to simplify the manufacturing process. Traditional ways of making dental prosthetics usually required several processes and long waiting durations. Through the use of 3D printers, dental prosthetics could be designed in fractions of the time required with traditional techniques. The result is that patients will have their prosthetics delivered much quicker, which reduces the time at the dentist's chair, as well as increasing the overall level of satisfaction for patients. In addition, 3D printing within dentistry has provided many new options for treatments that are innovative. Due to the capability of 3D printing, which can produce complicated dental structures with stunning precision, dentists now have the ability to perform procedures that were previously believed to be inaccessible. In particular, 3D printing has made it possible to make high-quality surgical guides that are detailed for dental procedures, such as implants. These guides enable dentists to operate with greater precision and accuracy and result in more positive results for patients. The overall impact in the use of 3D printing in contemporary dental practices is truly groundbreaking. Because it can create exact, custom-designed dental prosthetics within only a fraction of the time the traditional method takes, 3D printing has completely revolutionized the practice of dentistry. Dental practitioners across the globe have embraced this method and using it to ensure that they provide our patients the finest quality of care. While 3D printing technology is constantly evolving in the future, we cannot help but imagine the amazing and innovative possibilities that it could offer to the field of dental care.